everybody, today we're going to be doing the 1v1 pool tournament challenge. Whoever loses has to pull a forfeit out of the hat, and then we have to do the forfeit. In my opinion, the worst forfeit has to be the whip to the ball sack. If you guys have ever been whipped, I know some of my friends have. It's like, it hurts bad, bro. And it's like made out of duct tape. It's like getting your prostate checked. It's like, it does not feel. Prostate check, I mean, it feels good sometimes.
Anal evacuation.
Yeah, it's like putting anal beads up your butt. It kind of feels good, but it doesn't. So you got the whip, you got the rotten milk. I got like 2 weeks old moldy milk in my room that I forgot to take out last week. You know, you feel me? But yeah, you gotta drink that for one. The last forfeit's gonna be slapped to the face with whipped cream.
Pie to the face?
Pie to the face almost. It's like cream pie to your face. It's insane. It's gonna feel bad. And once that stuff gets in your ears, I don't know if y'all been slapped with whipped cream before, but when that stuff gets in your ears, it does not feel good. But then you sometimes gotta go to the doctor because you get an ear infection. And if you don't, it can last for weeks at a time almost. We gotta flip a coin, heads or tails. Whoever gets heads has to break. Whoever gets tails does not have to break. Let's flip this coin.
Alright everyone, so here's our coin. We're gonna go over here and flip it. Black is heads.
Cream is tails. I'm gonna be tails. Keegan's gonna be heads.
So here we go.
Flip that coin. Tails, that means I'm breaking.
Okay.
That's good. Ready?
Yep. Let's go. Alright. Celebrate. So I'm stripes?
Yeah. Alright. Keegan's about to take his first shot. Now remember, whoever loses this challenge has to do 1 out of 3 forfeits. What are you thinking, Breeze Keeg? Nothing. That was terrible.
Yeah, that's dangerous. Got the 8-ball right by the corner pocket.
We ain't doing no redos.
Oh.
I said, yeah, we might have to do a redo.
Oh.
We might have to do a redo. Good shots, good shots. Man, I was lucky though. Look at all that.
Wait.
Look at all that cake.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
8-ball might be solid, but that ain't the type of solid that I want. That's why I said, kids, never shoot your shots.
Yeah, never shoot your shots. You going right up? Yeah.
This nigga gay.
Ruining the video, and you ain't supposed to talk, Corn.
Yeah, this is how Brayden sold it. I ain't record.
Bro, stop.
Yo, you killed the whole vibe, Brayden.
See, look, the dude can't take a joke. One thing come back to him, the whole show's over. Softies.
Alright, hill
Man,
to hill.
this generation, a whole bunch of snowflakes.
Can I get up?
Heat check, heat check, heat check, heat. Heat check, heat check, heat check, heat. Heat check, heat check, heat check, heat check. You look like Saminsky.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Trying putting balls in holes like always. Oh! Chill.
Grasp it firmly. Firmly grasp it.
Oh, he.
One in striped pajamas. One in striped pajamas. Watch out, watch out.
You like Prisoner B3872.
B3087. Man, now we got a we got a dollar store rig because Brayden won't film for us. Yep.
What are you a fan of?
Sorry?
As far as my candy.
He'll eat anything.
Don't touch it.
Ooh, okay. Don't talk to Brayden, he's in a bad mood.
Can I get a heat check, heat check?
Oh, dude.
Can I get a heat check, heat check, heat check?
Oh, saved by the bell. Don't crush that up. Dude. Trenton. Where I want to go.
Watch me cut it back into that pocket.
All right. Wow. And we're doing 2 games. Cause you got.
I won the first game. Now we're going into game 2 because this kid wants to do a best 2 out of 3. Man, sounds like something he would do. Man, lose the first game. Rule B17, 4, 5, 6. Always best 2 out of 3. Makes no sense. Now this dude Corn over here gonna film for us. Why? I'll cut that out.
Film for us. Now, or I will strike you down.
Alright, that's enough animosity for today.
Is it enough anime?
Animosity.
Oh.
Get out here.
Let's go, solids.
Actually, those were stripes.
Get your stick!
No!
My hoodie's big!
Cut this poop up, Quavo.
Got it.
Shots.
Man, I got 4 balls right there, and like I
Click,
can't
click.
even get one of them.
Flight React stole someone's lyrics for his new song, Heat Check.
No one cares. Can I get a heat check?
Can I get a heat check?
What, you want me to get an infield? This one mine or yours?
Yo!
That's yours. Oh, wait, is it almost empty?
Yeah.
It's yours.
Is that yours? Is this yours?
It's yours!
Don't scream by my camera. I'm making that noise just because Keegan's here.
What's that to do with
You
anything?
never make that noise.
How do you know? You never see him.
It's true.
So, you don't gotta. Ray can make that noise if you want. I didn't. Sorry, you gotta blur that one out.
I'm about to go on a tear, so if y'all don't want to see this,
He's about to stab one person around every hour.
explicit content, no kids allowed, I'm about to go on a tear.
Let's go, Ray.
Got him.
Man, you retarded.
Hit this ball, hop over, hit the strike.
Alright.
Oh.
I just broke the wall! Was knight in shining armor in your movie. An example of the perfect candidate out.
Man, you just showing how much of a white boy you are.
I think I need to start drinking.
You do.
Oh my god!
Oh. Hey, Braden's parents, wake up.
Damn, bro, you got the whole squad laughing.
Okay.
You finna sabotage the whole game.
FTC.
Oh, you Mitchell. Dang it. It's good.
I tag. Man, today I took 7 showers.
Nice. Bro.
Dude!
Dude.
I just broke the wall.
No
All right,
way.
back to the game.
Oh my god.
That's
Okay,
crazy.
my mom will pay for it. Back to the game.
Yeah.
Heat check.
FTC. FTC.
Oh my god, that almost went in.
Man, you trash. Man, y'all weird, bro. Y'all never heard of man moan? I'm hoping Bobby was here, like.
You gotta make a TikTok like that.
Hey, you retarded, bro. You did look at this.
Yeah, who's about to win?
Me.
You just went in. Oh. Wait till then.
That's
What?
that. No way.
FTC.
Lose.
Nice.
This the new low. FTC.
Damn, boy, he's thick! Boy, that's a thick ass boy! Damn!
Yeah, sorry, I didn't change my diaper today. What?
You didn't call it.
I didn't have to call it, did I?
Game 3.
Well, you got... Down there.
I'm the one that pays your bills.
That's alright.
Calculated.
Why you got the camera pointed
Me?
out like that, bro?
I'm solids.
Let's.
At least I broke
Walked
them
in,
up a little
walked in, walked in, walked in, walked in, walked in.
bit. Bruh,
Yeah? What about it? What about it, bro? I called that in my head. Like, I knew that was gonna happen in my head.
Wow.
Like, I don't have to explain it to y'all simple-minded folk.
Yeah.
Watch this.
Alright.
Is that my water?
Oh! No, you were doing that.
No.
No.
You're doing that. You
No
lost.
redos.
He just lost that game. Like this, look at him.
Oh my god.
He's pressed.
I'm salty, bro.
This dude is pressed. And I just won the freaking tournament.
Frick you.
Go, Bobby.
I'm getting you balls in my face. Ooh, one of them should be controversial Instagram post on the other person's account.
You wanna do that?
Keegan, you got 25
Or
followers.
No, it doesn't matter. I get to post whatever on your account.
Yeah,
You'd rather do that than any of the other challenges?
we gotta pick out of a hat.
Alright.
But that could be one of them.
Fourth challenge activated. I get to post whatever I want on his account. As long as it's not. And you can't hold a camera more
I
than
was
2
gonna
seconds.
give you it, bruh.
As long as
Nothing
it's not too
racist,
bad.
though.
Nothing racist unless I say the N-word.
Yeah.
For our challenges, we have whipped cream to the face. Controversial Instagram post. Instagram.
You got Instagram?
Whip to the balls.
And the spoiled milk challenge.
E.
Now what we about to do is fold all these up into the hat that he's got on.
E.
And then whichever
These
one
real too. These ain't part of the hat.
whichever one he gets, he's gotta do no questions asked.
E.
Alright, I got all the challenges crumpled up and we're gonna put them in the hat like this, like so. Now finger it real nice and deep in there. See him in there? Right? Shake it up. Shake up your hat. What's it gonna be?
I get to fit.
Look away.
You're looking.
What?
Take one.
Not two.
Let's see here. Whip. It's the whip one.
Whipped cream to the face.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm actually happy with that. I'll do that.
This is gonna get all over the place. I ain't doing this. Now, as you guys know, Keegan lost the challenge, so I got all this shaving cream stuffed to the face. And you know, I'll count them down. 3, 2. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
No. Oh.
You got another shirt.
No, I don't.
Wipe it off then, hurry.
It's fine.
I'm getting it all over the place. I need to clean up quick. Man, why are you filming the carpet? Film the dude with the whipped cream over his
Oh, dude.
face. Go to the bathroom.
Instagram link in the description.
No.
Here. Man, that's it for this video. If you liked, man, you gotta subscribe it, like it, comment down below. Look at my hand, dude. That's a mess.
It's in my nose.
But yeah, that's
Smells
about
good though.
That's about it. And his link will be in the description if I remember. Alright. That's the Joker. Alright.
Alright. Dude, I was trying to wake up your parents. I definitely had to wake up your parents for that.